Dad, before you go to boxing, we are drinking tea.
Okay, son.
You know that I have always loved your tea.
I know, my friend. This tea is so good.
Spiderman! Here comes Spiderman, the legend of speed and strength. His punches are unmatched, his stamina unbelievable.
Joker! Joker! Joker!
Spidey! Spidey! Spidey!
Spidey!
Spidey!
Spidey! Now finish Spider-Man.
And here he comes, the wild card of chaos, the Joker. Look at that physique.
Dad!
You can do it, Spider-Man. Get up! Get up! Oh no! Get up, Spidey! Don't cry, please. Good. Again. But this time, tighter. Good job. Come on, do two more. Spidey, what I show, do exactly like that.
Okay.
Excellent. Now you're doing it like a pro. Keep going.
Good. Keep your arms steady, just like that.
Nice work.
Come, Spidey! I will down you also like Dad! Spidey! Spidey!
My body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do